Welcome to Abate Pest Management Limited, East Anglia's leading independent pest control company. At Abate, we pride ourselves in our quality of service. We're a multi-ISO accredited company including the ISO 9001-2008 quality standard for UK pest control service operations. Abate has over 50 years combined bird proofing experience. Here we're installing the recently launched Avishock electric bird deterrent system on this Grade 1 listed chapel. The Avishock system is an approved electric bird deterrent system which provides a new, highly valuable professional management option alongside traditional bird spikes, nets and wire, and is proven not to harm birds. Avishock is not actually bird proofing in the conventional sense, as it does not present a physical barrier or use audio or visual deterrents to scare birds. Instead, it's designed to modify the behavior of birds by touch, deterring them from landing, roosting or nesting on ledges with a harmless but disconcerting electric shock, in much the same way electric fencing manages farm livestock. It is the lowest profile and least visually obtrusive bird management system available. It is hardly noticeable at close quarters and virtually invisible at any distance, meeting challenging architectural specifications and English heritage guidelines which protect visually sensitive locations. The product is a uniquely flexible UV-stabilized PVC, which, as you can see, easily goes around bends, undulations, curves and corners, making it practical for protecting signs, statues and other difficult areas. It has a high specification stainless steel braiding sewn onto the track and is joined with straight and corner connections. The track is fixed by either screwing fixings in place or by using adhesive suitable to the structure it's been fixed to. It's available in 3 colours: stone, black or brick red, along with grey, white or clear adhesives. Here we are using a grey adhesive to affix the track to the lead roof of the chapel. The track is then connected to a standard 13 amp plug-in energizer which covers up to 300 meters of track per unit. The system pulses an electrical current every 1 to 2 seconds, which is high voltage but very low nominal amperage. This electric shock immediately discourages the bird from landing and eventually modifies the bird's behavior to prevent it returning to the site. It is therefore a highly effective system in deterring all bird species at all infestation pressure levels on ledges, edges, parapets, beams and roof peaks. You can see how the Abate team are carefully marking out and fixing the product in place to ensure the correct adhesion and track distances for optimum effectiveness. Warning stickers are placed at a specified distance apart to ensure that other maintenance staff are aware of the track installation. You can see that some areas have also been netted using stainless steel fixtures, along with black UV netting in addition to laying the Avishock track. This is to stop birds attempting to nest in the voids of the parapets. Abate has a vast knowledge of all types of bird deterrent systems and can advise on the most suitable installation type to solve your pest bird problems. If you would like a free site survey and advice on the best method of controlling your pest bird problem, or already have netted or spiked buildings and feel that this system would provide a better solution, call Abate Pest Management on 0800 980 9767 or visit www.abatelimited.co.uk and see how Avishock can work for you.